different philosophy than I had. So that doesn't mean like, Speaker Nunez, he became a very good friend of mine. John Burton, the senator, became a very good friend and kind of a mentor to me because he was a terrific guy. He just was a liberal.
Yes.
So what? I mean, it's like, okay, so that's his belief. Mine was to be more conservative, and then we had to sit down and work it out. And we did the reform, as you know, with workers' compensation that saved the state now $150 billion, the businesses. So we worked things out and we worked on things together, even though he had a different belief. But it doesn't mean that I have to hate him. I looked at him and I said, "This is a great guy. I want to hang out with this guy. He was funny." And with Antonio here, I mean, he's a Democrat. I mean, we hung out together. We were going to barbecues. We were, having a good time, and we were good friends. And he called me anytime when he needed something, and I called him when I needed something from him.
Okay, but here's the problem.
Bob Hertzberg, who is sitting here, he was one of my advisors when I ran for governor. Role, right? He's a Democrat.
Sort of seems like Joe.
So I mean, to me, I don't see it that way.
But look at him. Look at him. Look at her.
Yeah, right.
I want to hang out with them too. Do you want to hang out with anybody in Washington? Because I don't. I've tried.
I thought
we hung out with the president. He's like 6 o'clock. Gotta go. I mean, what's that?
I was just like I said,
we were the last
year. Mitch McConnell.
We were last year in Washington.
Oh my God!
We had a good time there with the legislators. So I think that
what has changed?
You know, though, I wanted to follow up though on what the governor said. I say hate's a strong word.
It's a terrible word.
It's a terrible word. But, Bill Clinton...
Before you say it sounds like a strong word, but it's true. Now you say it's a strong word, it's not true.
Hey,
so which one is it?
You know what?
It's how you say it.
You know what? Just work with me here, baby. I'm right away, okay?
All right,
I'm working the audience. I'll work the audience the way I want to work the audience. You work the way you want to work the audience, okay?
You did a great
job. Thank you so much. I'm going to tap dance in a second. So it reminds me of what
I'm going to sit in between.
Do you like this?
Yeah.
Would you
Joe?
like it?
Someone in Bavaria is
sit over here.
Hold on, sure. So anyway,
you guys want to be
a dear personal friend of mine, Bill Clinton, once told me. It reminds, he actually said we were talking about some of the problems in Washington, and Bill Clinton said, and I agree completely, and it was actually my approach too, being in government, getting things done, requires that you have no memory. You really don't. I mean, it's like people that sit back, and there are a lot of politicians that keep score. Why? Yeah. Because the thing is, you really could impeach Bill Clinton in the